Hey everybody on YouTube, look at the sky. I hear thunder. And look at the sky, it's blue. Very beautiful. I'm here with baby Buddha and my mother. Enjoying nature. And what's so funny, I just came from Best Buy and I have it on video, a mockingbird attacking Buddha. Well, I hope everyone has a happy Father's Day. To all the fathers, the single mothers, the past fathers. We are all one. Let's stand united. Namaste. Hey, he's on the pole. Let me see if I can zoom. See, he's on the pole. Oh, you guys see the moon? Look at the moon. How cool. You guys see that? That means a full moon is coming tonight. Oh, my little bird flew away. That's how cool my bird's back. Well, I hope everyone's having a blessed, beautiful day and staying safe out there. And I hope y'all having a sunny day because I'm about to have a very stormy,